What are you looking, love or sugar daddy?
Oh, only wish. I wish I can find a husband, foreign husband. Just wish.
Yeah. Everyone wish to find a
Mhm.
foreign husband. So they think if they have a foreigner, they gonna live a life that they wanted to. You know? Yeah, even young girls, they really said, "Oh, I was just gonna find a foreigner so I can have a good life." My God, the girls that I just took as cheap as by. Then I asked her, because I know this girl, why are you here? You're still young. She said, hoping to find foreigner can give me a good life. Like the f. Not all foreigner will treating you right. Maybe they give you some allowance, but you're not gonna live a life like other girl. They are blessed to find a rich foreign guy, but those bitches just gonna spend their money and no money on ano things that is not even worth it, but that's their money. All they think when they don't have job, all they think was allowance from their sugar daddy. True, not all foreigners will give us a good life. Yes.
Try my luck.
Yeah. Hope you can find. What kind of foreigner are you looking